In recent years, smartphone gimbals have become an essential accessory for mobile filmmakers, vloggers, and social media enthusiasts. These handheld stabilizers enable users to capture smooth, professional-looking footage on the go, making them a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their mobile content. With so many options available in the market, choosing the right smartphone gimbal can be overwhelming. In this video guide, we'll walk you through the top 7 smartphone gimbals on the market, helping you make an informed decision and choose the perfect one for your needs. Watch till the end, where we'll give you a few tips to help you get comfortable with your gimbal. Our journey begins with the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, a flagship gimbal that sets the standard for smartphone stabilization. Its advanced stabilization technology and active track feature make it perfect for vloggers and mobile filmmakers who demand the best. Next, we have the Zhiyun Smooth 4, a mid-range gimbal that offers a perfect balance of features and price. Its object tracking feature and time-lapse mode make it ideal for capturing stunning footage without breaking the bank. The Feiyutech Gimbal 2 is an excellent budget option. This gimbal offers advanced stabilization technology and face tracking features at an affordable price, perfect for casual users who want to capture smooth footage. The Zhiyun Smooth X is a high-end gimbal with advanced stabilization technology and object tracking features. Its compact design and intuitive interface make it easy to use and perfect for professionals who want the best. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is another mid-range gimbal with advanced stabilization technology and an active track feature. Its user-friendly interface and compact design make it easy to use and perfect for those who want to capture stunning footage at an affordable price. The Goodson Moza Mini MI is a high-end gimbal that offers advanced stabilization technology and object tracking features. Its compact design and intuitive interface make it easy to use and perfect for professionals who demand the best. Finally, we have the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus, a mid-range gimbal that offers advanced stabilization technology, object tracking, and time-lapse features. Its user-friendly interface and compact design make it easy to use and carry around. So what makes these gimbals stand out from the rest? Each gimbal has its unique features and strengths that set it apart from the others. The DJI Osmo Mobile 4 and Zhiyun Smooth X offer advanced stabilization technology and object tracking features, making them perfect for vloggers and mobile filmmakers who demand the best. The Feiyutech Gimbal 2 and Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offer affordable options with advanced features, making them perfect for those on a budget. The Zhiyun Smooth 4 and DJI Osmo Mobile 3 offer mid-range options with a balance of features and price, making them perfect for those who want to capture stunning footage with a low-cost commitment. In conclusion, the top 7 smartphone gimbals offer a range of features and strengths that make them stand out from the rest. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a casual user, there's a gimbal on this list that's sure to meet your needs. Here are tips to help you with your gimbal. Experiment with different modes, such as portrait mode, landscape mode, and time-lapse mode, to capture unique and creative footage. Pay attention to lighting conditions and adjust your camera settings accordingly to capture the best possible footage. Edit your footage using video editing software to enhance its quality. Add music and make it more engaging. By following these tips and considering the top 7 smartphone gimbals on the market, you'll be well on your way to creating amazing footage with your smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.